Imagine a place where the sky is forever shrouded in dense clouds, where the air is thick with toxic gases and the ground beneath your feet feels like a desolate wasteland. This isn't a scene from your favorite horror movie, rather, it's the reality of Venus, Earth's sinister sister planet. This world is not for the faint-hearted. It's a place where every breath is a struggle, where every step feels like a marathon. But what if someone dared to push the boundaries of human endurance here? Enter Mark, a courageous astronaut, a pioneer in the truest sense. Mark is not here just to survive, he's here to thrive. He's here to jog across the rocky plains of Venus, to tread where no man has ever dared before. His task, to push the limits of human endurance by jogging across Venus's rocky plains. This is the tale of an extraordinary man on an extraordinary mission. Little does Mark know, he is not alone on this barren world. The stillness of Venus is broken by an eerie sound. It's a whisper, a ghostly murmur that seems to be carried on the toxic breeze. Mark's heart skips a beat as the whisper reaches his helmet, a chilling reminder of his isolation on this alien terrain. It's as if the barren landscape itself is speaking to him, its voice a spectral echo in the vast emptiness. The whisper grows louder, its eerie melody sending a shiver down his spine. He shakes his head, trying to dismiss the haunting sound as a mere figment of his imagination. But the whispers persist, their ghostly refrain echoing in his mind. Unsettled, Mark quickens his pace, his boots crunching against the rocky surface. The silence of Venus is deafening, the whispers growing louder in the absence of any other sound. With each passing moment, the atmosphere grows heavier, the silence deafening. Out of the corner of his eye, Mark catches a glimpse of something unnatural, a dark figure moving swiftly across the horizon. A shiver runs down his spine, his heart pounding like a drum in his chest. This is uncharted territory, a world where no man has ventured to jog before. The figure moves with an eerie grace, its form a mere silhouette against Venus's fiery skyline. Mark's breath hitches in his throat. Is he alone on this desolate planet, or is there something more lurking in the shadows? In a burst of adrenaline, Mark quickens his pace, his bulky suit clambering against the rugged terrain, but just as swiftly as it appeared, the figure vanishes, swallowed by the crimson dust. Mark is left alone, his heart echoing in the silence of the alien landscape. His only solace, the distant gleam of his spaceship, beckoning him like a beacon of hope. But the toxic air takes its toll, choking him with each breath. Mark's body screams for relief, the weight of his suit and the oppressive atmosphere of Venus grinding him down. He stumbles, each footfall a testament to human willpower. The spaceship, his solitary beacon, seems to grow more distant, not closer. Exhaustion seeps into his bones, his steps falter, and the world tilts. Mark collapses, the harsh Venusian ground a cold welcome. His breaths come in ragged gasps, the taste of fear metallic in his mouth. As his vision blurs, the haunting mysteries of Venus consume his thoughts. What was that figure? A trick of the light? An alien being? Or was it the planet itself toying with his sanity? As consciousness ebbs away, the answers elude him, swallowed by the unforgiving Venusian landscape. Venus, a realm where every step is a battle for survival, where the line between reality and nightmare blurs into the unknown.